This video is going to talk about how to draw circuit diagrams using the symbols. Before we start, you're going to want to get very familiar with this here. If you don't have a copy of it, you can download it off of the website. Yeah, I guess you can download it off the website. It'll be under notes and it will be labeled circuit diagram symbols. Okay, I'll just write that. Circuit diagram symbols. Okay. So what you want to do is basically, if you know how to look at this sheet right here, it's got the symbols, it's got them all labeled right here. You know, this thing says ground. So if you were to draw something that had a ground in it, this is the symbol you'd use. If you needed to draw something that had a fuse in it, this would be the symbol you use. So all you really need to do is know how to, draw symbols and then connect them, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do one. It says draw a circuit diagram that has 2 batteries, 3 lights, and 1 switch. So let's look and see where our batteries are. Here's a battery. Where's my lights? Here's my lights, also known as a lamp, and then my switch, okay? So I'm going to draw one using the following. So here we go. Starting with batteries. So here's my first one. Okay. Sorry about that. There's my 2 batteries, and then I want 3 lights. So here's one. You can have them all together if you want. And then 1 switch. There you go. And that's how you would draw that. Oh, let me make my little squigglies inside the lights. Now, you can draw this however you want as long as you include the 2 batteries, the 3 lights, and 1 switch. You can have a battery in between a light, or you can have the switch closed or open, because I did not actually tell you if it should be an open or a closed system. All right, next. The next one says draw a CD, also known as circuit diagram, that has 3 resistors, 1 light, and 1 fuse. So here's a fuse, here's a resistor, and here's our lights. All right, so you're going to do the same thing essentially again. So I'm drawing one. Here's 1 resistor, here's 2 resistors, here's 3 resistors. I just like to put mine all on the same spot. It just makes it easy for me to remember what I drew. Here's my lamp, and then here's my fuse. There you go. Draw that, connect them. Okay, so there you have it. There's my resistors, 1, 2, 3. Here's my 1 light, and here's a fuse. Okay, this one would be interesting because there's actually no power source. There's no battery. You need to actually have a battery in order to have a circuit that runs, and there would be no juice running through this system. But that's how you draw that. Here's one more. Okay, so it says draw a circuit diagram that has 4 resistors and 4 batteries and 4 lights and 1 switch. My goodness. So here we go. Battery, lights, resistor, and switch. So let's try this out. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just how I like to do them. I like to do them all, so that way I can just kind of cross them out. All right, and then 4 batteries. So, oops, I didn't do that right. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's another one. 4 batteries, 4 lights. Good Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting kind of crampy over here. So here's 3 lights, or 4 lights, I mean. And then, I think I have them. Oh, and then 1 switch. I actually have to, my bad. I actually have to draw on top of this thing. My bad. Let me clear it real quick. That's better. Okay, so now let me put them together. There's my switch, and here's my lamps. Okay, so I was able to draw them all. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, do I have 5? 1, 2, 3. My bad. Can't count. 4 resistors, a switch, 4 lights. And that would be my giant circuit. That's how you draw circuit diagrams. Again, you would need the paper with the symbols. I don't expect you to memorize them.